What I wish I knew before renovating my home: you can go green and save green at the same time. First up, swap your old lights for LEDs. They use 75% less energy and last 25 times longer. Next, choose low-VOC paints. They're better for your health and the environment. Thinking about new floors? Go for bamboo or reclaimed wood. They're sustainable and look amazing. Now, consider installing a smart thermostat. It learns your schedule and can cut your energy bill by 10 to 15%. Also, look into low-flow fixtures for your bathroom. They save water without sacrificing pressure. And don't forget insulation. Proper insulation keeps your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter, reducing energy waste. Finally, repurpose old furniture instead of buying new. A fresh coat of eco-friendly paint can give it a new life. There you have it. Simple, actionable tips to make your home greener and your wallet happier. Comment below with your favorite eco-friendly hack. See you next time.